Because I said yesterday, everybody now is speaking about goons, and it's the most fashionable thing to say today. And in fact, even in political circles, pointing fingers at each other, you are the one who has goons, you are the one who has goons, is the most fashionable things. In fact, I saw a group of leaders from the opposition yesterday, and I think it's the Honorable Mother Karua who read a statement, asking for ICC to come and investigate this phenomenon of goons. Unfortunately, some of the people standing behind Mother Karua are the people who have been moving around in Nyanza with goons carrying machetes. Then you are telling us you've now become Holy Joe. You can stand behind Mother Karua reading a statement talking about goons. Yet you are the commander-in-chief of goons in Nyanza with machetes. I have seen others, Honorable Speaker, now decide which parties will have candidates, which parties will not have agents, against our own election laws. And somebody stands in his village home and says, here in this constituency, in Madera, we shall not have a single UDA agent. But because you know what you have done, you are now breaching election laws. The following day, what do? You turn around and try and correct what you had said. But you know what you are doing because you did it in Ol Kalau. And I have said it. In Ol Kalau, the Saturday before the voting, all UDA agents and mobilizers had their doors marked with red paint X's. And they got leaflets warning them, instilling fear in voters, mobilizers, agents. And now that is the same business you want to take to Madera. That is why you had a member of parliament in this house telling people that if you vote this way, we'll get you from under your beds. And I have dared ask, supposing for heaven's sake, it was the Honorable, just for example, Honorable Millie Odhiambo, Honorable Peter Kaluma, saying that in Homa Bay. Or the Honorable Oscar Sudi saying what the Member of Parliament was saying in Nyeri, that if you vote for this particular faction of our political forum, we will get you from under your beds. If, for instance, was Oscar Sudi who had said that in Kapsaret, and I have asked those questions, we must be careful, all of us, what we say. All of us, without exception. All of us. We have a nation to hold together. We have a nation that it is in your interest, in my interest, in our family's interest that we have a peaceful nation, peaceful elections. Elections next year will come and go. Whether you keep shouting 4 term, 6 term, no term, whatever you want to shout, even those who have served for 1 term, keep shouting 1 term, they can go ahead. It is within their rights. Yeah. You know, many of those I see, some served as vice presidents for 1 term, others served as deputy president for 1 term, others served as members of parliament for 1 term, others are serving as members of parliament for 1 term, and they will actually serve for 1 term. That is why they have to go shouting it. But whether it is about those terms, let us hold our nation together. Let us enact pieces of legislation like this one that is clearly telling us what needs to be done, even as we offer power of mercy pursuant to this constitution. But also speak to a judiciary. As you dish out bail, as you dish out the preemptive court orders, you dish out every